Did you know that there's a hidden manual for GA4? There is, and I'm going to show you how it works. So if you're still using the official Google support documentation for GA4, stop right there. Instead of banging your head against the keyboard because the documentation is vague and missing a lot of very important details, let me show you a better alternative to your GA4 woes by introducing you to the GA4 Toolbox. The problem with the official GA4 documentation is not that it's vague or even incomplete. The real issue is that they are not written in a way that serves you and your business. That documentation is written by Google for Google, not for you. So here's what we did. We created several test GA4 accounts and spent countless days and nights figuring out how to use it. We spent all this time and effort so you don't have to. Simply put, we've discovered so many hidden and powerful tricks and techniques that could solve your marketing data challenges. And I want to share all of that with you. And that's why I'm proud to introduce our new GA4 Toolbox, the best friend for GA4 users. In the last few months, our team has been working hard to create meticulously detailed step-by-step processes for you to follow as you begin to use GA4 for your business or for your clients. Each document is full of up-to-date screenshots that make it easy to follow all the steps from A to Z. The Toolbox contains over 100 detailed process documents that are very easy for you to follow, even if you have zero experience with Google Analytics 4. We made these even more thorough than the official support documentation. Each process document focuses on achieving one specific objective. The steps and screenshots will help you easily accomplish that objective. No fuss, no hassle. Some process documents need to be done in order, and so we group them by category like migration, installation, creating reports, third-party integrations, and more. Others can be done in as little as 5 minutes on their own. And not only that, but we also have a library of ready-made GA4 dashboard templates that work right out of the box with your data. Okay, who is the GA4 Toolbox for? Who is the ideal Toolbox user? Well, if you like to do it yourself, this GA4 Toolbox is perfect for you. Generally, the folks who have showed interest in our Toolbox are hyper-executors who like to DIY using existing processes and systems, agencies serving clients with repeatable GA4 processes including setup, templates, integrations, and dashboards, professionals who want to level up their professional skills to advance their careers, and finally, website owners and solopreneurs who don't have time to take courses or sift through Google's official documentation. And so if you're busy, overwhelmed, and tired of it all, I encourage you to check out the Toolbox. So are you dreading the move to GA4? Well, our Toolbox is the opportunity you've been looking for. Inside, we'll give you step-by-step processes that essentially replace the official GA4 documentation because our processes include detailed step-by-step guides that are easy to follow, clearly written tutorials with no incomplete or missing steps, ready-made dashboard templates that you can just plug into your GA4 account, and everything is updated by our team as soon as the platform changes so you'll always have the latest processes. It just works.